what I'm wanting done, you know what I mean? I want it cleaned up, and
Yeah.
you're here doing it. So that's what I'm getting at is.
The skid steer was hungry.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that dog.
Mini actually got some power moving this big old leaf.
What's up, everybody? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. I have been extremely slammed out here in Georgia with a bunch of work, not storm work because it missed us, but Augusta got hit hard, North Carolina, Florida. It's just a total mess. They're still recovering, and they got another hurricane coming out tomorrow, which sucks. But I just came to Publix. I'm gonna buy some groceries and head out to Augusta, Georgia to help Hammer out with all the storm work he's dealing with. He needs grease for the equipment, he needs groceries. He's good on all chainsaws, diesel, because he prepared extremely well on that coming from here there, because the stores out there literally have nothing. I mean, whatever they have in a couple hours they sell out. People are waiting for hours just before the store opens. It's crazy, man. Truthfully, I can't really go out there because my wife is extremely pregnant. She can give birth at any time. So I told Hammer, like, if my wife goes into labor, I literally got to turn around and go back home, and he's totally cool with that. I want to help him out because this guy has been helping me out big time when I need him, and he asked me a couple times if I can help him out because he is beyond slammed out there. He has like 8 jobs and more coming every day. So I'm gonna run out there, help him with what I can, and then turn back at night, come back home. Hopefully my wife doesn't give birth tomorrow. If she does, hopefully it's tonight so I don't head out there for no reason. $126 later, we got the groceries secured on what really should be like $50, but ever since COVID, everything just went sky high inflation wise.
I guess you can say I have soft hands since I'm using napkins. This diesel knob is extremely dirty, but I stopped at a gas station real quick to get some diesel. Super affordable, $3.09 a gallon. Got about 2.5 hours to drive, so hopefully I make it back on the same tank. My ETA is currently 7 a.m., which is about 30 minutes earlier than they expect me, so hopefully they don't end up sleeping in. But man, all these people that have been affected by the hurricane is just extremely sad. A lot of people lost loved ones. Their trailer homes blew away, got washed off. A lot of actual homes blew away too. It's crazy. This one's gonna hit Florida hard. A buddy of mine just moved out to Sarasota, and he moved from California. He didn't get really hit on the last hurricane, but this one is gonna hit his area hard. It's going directly at them, so he's evacuating. He's trying to pull out everything he doesn't have full coverage on, because he tried to get full coverage on his other cars that don't have it, and they ain't selling it anymore. Once they got a hurricane, he said they ain't selling anything, so he's leaving everything that has full coverage behind. So hopefully he'll be okay, but it sucks. Like, he has a bunch of expensive tools for his work because he has his own business, construction and stuff, so he's just gonna put that stuff on the highest shelf he can that he can't pull out and hope for the best, pretty much, because they are expected to get like 15 feet of water in some areas, which is absolutely nuts if you ask me. We had some breakfast. We're now headed out. Check out this debris over here, waiting by the city to get picked up. A lot of the stuff is just getting put on the road just because the city's picking it up for free. Pine, pine, pine. A lot of pines. It's a neighborhood. Yet they're still celebrating Halloween. Sheesh! This is a huge pine. Wow, I can't believe they didn't take this down before the hurricane. My goodness. More trees, more trees. I actually can't believe how many trees went down in this neighborhood. That is absolutely insane. I did not expect this. Sheesh. Did you move this out here?
We did all of this, yeah. And then we did all of that too. And then down the road they just came, we did all that too.
Yeah? I mean, I just saw some huge pines out there. You saw that big boy? You didn't clean that one up, did you?
No. Your dump trailer's right around the corner.
Apparently it doesn't look as crazy right now, but I mean, it still looks very crazy. But Hammer was saying that it looked like a war zone out here when he first came out. He's been here for almost 2 weeks now, so now it's a lot better. A bunch of skid steers out here. I'm not seeing many minis, but we'll see. Maybe we'll see some down the line. I mean, these trees are huge. Minis can't really move them. Check that top out. My goodness. That's a fat oak. Thickness right there.
All day today from noon and all day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Nick. I'll message you back, probably on the chat with my mom.
Okay.
Just so that she has a copy too. Okay.
Yeah, I'll send that in the. I'll send the updated version in that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cool. All right.
All right.
Thanks, sir. Cheers. Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye. Just got another job.
Another one?
Yep.
Dang, man. I guess you gotta move out here or something, huh?
Morning. How are you? Doing good, sir. So yeah, we started all this yesterday.
Sheesh. Uh-huh.
Hey, I got an email from my insurance guy yesterday. So you were calling Jacob, you know, about this over here. What did he say?
He said to talk with you whether you want to do it yourself or see if we can squeak him in on the insurance.
Exactly.
So-
Well, right now, the insurance company didn't even give me an estimate for 10 to 14 days. So Jacob don't have an idea what the insurance is even going to pay me. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm still waiting on Jacob to get back with me on the insurance and everything you're doing for me, I'm paying for out of my pocket right now. You know what I'm saying? And I can
Okay.
give you a check when you're done.
No.
Because,
So
I
he
mean-
said that as soon as he gets the check, he'll pay me. So
Well,
you don't have to worry about that.
What I'm wanting done, you know what I mean? I want it
Yeah.
cleaned up, and
Yeah.
you're here doing it. So that's what
Yeah.
I'm getting at is I'm paying the bills. So you know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah.
As long as you get it done the way I want it, you give me the price. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll pay you. I mean,
Okay.
I'm gonna take care of that. So
Yeah.
the other question I had for you, I know you got other stuff you need to go do, but
Yes,
them root balls that are pretty much broke out of the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Are they easier just to carry up here for FEMA to haul off than it is to come back and try to ground
So,
it loose? To grind it loose?
FEMA won't take the root balls.
Well, the FEMA
No.
guy I talked to told me that he would get that right there, that root ball right there.
Really?
He
'Cause
did.
they told me no.
He told me because I've been talking with.
I mean,
Dan.
I can try and put that there.
I mean, if
but-
they're loose in the ground and you can carry
Well,
them
those-
around here.
So those things are, the ones back there are way bigger than that one.
If you
So
can't-
I don't know.
If you can't handle them, I get it. But
And
I
I
know
would,
it's.
my thing is, I would hate to put that root ball there and then say, we're not taking it, then you're stuck with root ball in your front yard.
Right. Well, I'll get it gone. I guarantee
Okay.
I'll find somebody to haul that mother.
Well, I'll pull that one out then and set it by the logs.
I mean, I'm not,
Yeah.
I mean, anything that I'm asking you to do that's over and beyond, you don't have to call Jacob. Just
Yeah, that's
tell me
fine.
what my price
Okay.
is, and I'll approve it.
yes, sir.
Did they tell you when they're gonna come pick this stuff up on the road or no?
No, they've already been here and got this was all full. FEMA's, I mean, they've already been here to the county. They come back around just whenever.
Gotcha.
Drive like an hour and a half away. They're having to drive.
Yeah, back out to the dump, I think, probably out here in county up Columbia Road, probably. He said it's about an hour turnaround every time they pick up and leave. Yeah, they've already took out between me and this place over here, they probably already took 20 trucks
20 trucks from just 2 houses?
from that lot right there. That whole lot and that house is right there.
Wow.
So that FEMA guy has hung out here with us for 3 days.
You didn't want to take on more work, Hammer?
No, I do. I have stuff I gotta do,
Yeah.
and I don't want him paying me.
I got.
That's a big girl.
Yeah, there it
this
is.
thing?
Yeah, I was thinking. I gotta see. Well, how big is this bar compared to your 500i? Because you said the 500i is faster, but
32-inch bar.
yeah, that's why maybe it's slower than the 500i, because it's a bigger
No,
bar.
it stays bogged down.
Because the bigger bar, I think. Start cleaning your Zerk so you don't want to clog them up. Yeah, she scared me, bro. Put this thing in speed mode. Bro, do you go until you see the grease coming out?
Yeah.
I don't see no grease coming out.
Where are you doing it at?
At the top, boy.
Look on the inside, right here. Oh, you can look over it. You're not that short, are you?
I guess I am. I don't see it coming out.
I see it. It's over here. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Where do you see?
Right here. Back here. If you look over here, you'll see it.
Oh yeah, perfect. Man, she was hungry.
Dude.
The skid steer was hungry.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that dog.
I brought a bunch of extra tubes for. I'm like, this thing's eating.
There's also one up here.
Okay.
And then there's one in here on each side.
Okay, let me get this. Out of grease.
Already?
This one only had like half. Or less. I brought 2 extra tubes though, so we'll definitely be able to grease them.
Let me know how much I owe you for that.
I think they're like $6 a pop.
How much do you want for the day as well? And I'll fill your tank up too.
Let's just, honestly bro, whatever you think is reasonable. I'm not too worried about it. I just want to help you out too. We'll see how much work we get done, because I'm not sure how much we're going to do, you know? That also plays a factor. I don't want you to pay for stuff we don't do. I love this grease gun, dude. You really need one.
I'm probably going to buy one while I'm back up in Georgia.
Oh!
It popped.
Yeah.
I heard that.
Yeah, you definitely didn't grease it for a couple days, huh?
It's all in the freaking way.
Good?
Try it now.
Mm-mm. It ain't taking...
Hit that pressure button. Coming right at me. Alright, I got it.
That's the machine, bro. We gotta figure a way to get
Yeah,
grease.
alright. Alright. This thing's gonna be happy now. Smooth like butter. Alright. Good. Huh?
You find the other 2 keys?
Bro.
What?
They're in my back pocket. The other keys.
Well, I think he was helping me look for them. I was like, I guarantee you they're like in this side pocket somewhere. You just didn't check.
One there. Yeah. What were you saying? The guy what?
So I guarantee you like they're in this pocket or something. No, Natalie.
Oh. There's another one over here.
You need to run to the truck and grab another grease, take them out.
Where are they at? I can have Josh go get them.
It's in the front seat.
Passenger. Probably floorboard.
That's okay, this should reach. Here, his hands are clean.
His hands are clean.
I don't want grease all over.
Care if it's dirt. This is some good dirt, man.
Yeah,
That's
is.
why all the trees are falling down here. Because it's such soft, you know, ours is clay. It's a
Uh-huh.
harder ground, harder for them to fall.
Yeah?
But this stuff, it lifts up so easily.
Yep.
You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there was another one over there. 7 trees down back here.
Is that an oak?
Yep.
That's a huge stump right here, bro. My goodness.
Did you see that oak on the side of the road that was like this?
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
That you should have seen the thing at the base.
I
It
bet.
was like 4.5 feet tall.
My goodness, it would take forever to grind this thing.
I know.
You wanted to grind this for him?
No, I haven't talked to him about grinding. It was another job.
You're gonna need a huge grinder to
Yeah.
get to these ginormous stumps.
I mean, this would take a couple hours.
Mm-hmm.
This one, that
Definitely
one
a
would,
couple
that
hours.
one would, that one would.
Oh man. Y'all cleaning up for this neighbor or no?
No. I already flipped these roof balls back over.
You just pushed them over?
Yeah, the skid steer did it. Well, the excavator did this one. But yeah, you see all that crap behind the shed?
Yeah.
On this side of the fence?
Yeah, we gotta get that out.
And throw it over here.
Yep. Yep.
So Whenever Josh comes back, we'll say a prayer and then we'll get started. Popping on all this stuff and tossing it over so that we can get it with the skid steer or mini X towards the end of the job.
You're gonna move that stuff? Why are you moving that first, you said?
So he doesn't have to. I'm trying to keep that grass okay. So I'm using the mini X to grab and toss here.
Okay.
It'll take me like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna load him up. So he'll be busy for about 30 minutes and then I'll come help you.
I'll go
if
get
you want to
started
start,
on that.
grab a chainsaw, cut up whatever, and throw it over this way. If you want to use the 660, you can, because that might not cut good if you don't have the teeth in it. So
I'll try it. I want it to run both, see what they're about.
is grab a leaf blower and just blow all the leaves this way and see what we're working with afterwards, stick-wise. Then we can run around grabbing sticks. Because a lot of this stuff is covered up by leaves, you know?
Yeah.
And so we can actually see what we're working with, how much more we have to do.
You got to grab that log with the excavator behind that stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can go grab the blower and I can start blowing stuff.
Alright. I have a blower.
Yeah, yours is probably more powerful.
Yeah, I wish I had Brady's. His is the big still, like the biggest one.
800?
Yeah, I think so. That thing's freaking powerful, man.
Yeah. Got Josh running over here. You're gonna flip the skid steer hammer, it's not balanced. You're gonna roll it over.
I'm too fat. I got gas, use my gas before you use yours.
That's okay. I gotta use it before it gets old either way. I don't run a chainsaw as often as you. You sure? Hey, because if it fits.
Nah, it'll be faster if we both.
Okay.
I'll do a section, you do an area.
Okay, sounds good.
You prime it?
Yeah. Oh man, he's gonna be mad. Rip. Duct tape can fix this one though. It ain't too bad.
Shoot. Some Flex Seal, it'll be alright.
stop on the log up here.
No? Because if you let go of that pressure, the log can do this. Stay in the bucket.
Back up a little bit. big old leaf.
Down a little better.
Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. save this guy's hose. Once I run out of oil from this one to that one.
That's fine.
It's right here. I guess when I put the sod down here, it came off. Wild, right? What are the chances? Did you find which one was low?
This one's at 47.
What was that one at?
59.
Okay. Maybe it's that front one?
Might be this one, I don't know. Yeah, I bent the crap out of my... I had
Did you hit it?
No, I had the grapple bucket sitting in the truck bed, like off the skid steer. I made a turn, and it did this number, and it rolled.
Oh, wow.
Well, I can lift it back up with the excavator bucket. I'll just pull it back up.
I'll just bend it back up?
Yeah.
It ain't too bad, though.
No, it's not that bad. It's a work truck.
Yeah, the outside didn't get damaged, so you're good.
Weeks ago?
Same tires?
Yeah.
Dang, they're beefy. How much were these? 500 too?
No, those were like $280 a tire.
Why is it so much cheaper?
It's not a name brand like this or whatever, you know.
So what did it run you total? 280 times 6?
Yep.
We're pretty much all wrapped up over here. We're heading out right now to pick up the trailers, and then we're gonna come and get the equipment and go to another job site. Josh stayed back to blow off the driveway, but man, there's a lot of cleaning up to do. I mean, this yard took forever to clean up just because of all the leaves and sticks spread out. It's easy to do the big cleanup. The small cleanup is what takes the longest because of all the miscellaneous stuff. When it's big stuff, I mean, the equipment is moving it around like nothing, but you can't just destroy the full yard when there's nothing there. I love this truck, but there are so many error codes on it. I feel bad for Hammer. It's screaming for everything. I don't even know what service advanced track means. It's hill, desert control fault, coolant fault. I don't know what's going on with this truck, but it works. One of these days, I'll get myself a gooseneck. What happened to your backup camera?
It doesn't work. I gotta fix, there's a plug back here that I gotta replace.
Did you hit something?
No, it's because it gets mud on it. It's not weatherproofed. Yeah, just go left a little more.
You might need to raise up the trailer. I'm not sure. Having no backup camera sucks hooking up to these trailers.
You haven't seen this girl in a minute, have you?
No. That lock came in handy though, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hammer, did you know you got plywood over here?
Huh?
Did you know you have plywood over here?
Yeah.
It's loaded up with junk plywood.
Yeah, I put this in my plywood.
I got a full-size Bobcat. Doing the same thing. This thing is the lightest wheel chuck I've ever seen in my life.
I don't know where I got that from,
Timu.
but
Trigger Tree Works. That's a pretty cool name.
I need this truck on that trailer.
Why?
Because those trailer brakes only work with that truck.
What?
The brakes don't work on that. that trailer. Only the brakes only work when it's hooked up to this truck for some reason. And
so that truck's not reading brakes or what?
No, it is on with your trailer, but it doesn't with that trailer. It's really, really weird. I got to figure it out.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So I'm on hook from this.
All right, sounds good. Gotta love the hydraulic jack, right?
Oh my gosh. It's so nice. He's got, I think, 6 or 7 down back here.
Did you do any work here?
No, not yet. And then we're getting rid of this tree and then all the pine trees in his front yard. And then we're getting rid of 2 pine trees over here for her. We've already done 3 trees for her as well.
My goodness, really?
Yep. And we got rid of 4, 5, 6. Across the street, we got rid of 6 trees and cleaned up 3 others.
And he just lets you park the trailers here?
Yep.
And you haven't even done work for him yet?
Nope.
That's crazy.
Super cool guy.
That's awesome. Yeah, I can't believe they all uprooted like that.
Yeah. This ground is super soft. Look at the dirt.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna back that truck out.
All right, I'll wait for you now. That dually looks so beefy with fresh tires plus that fuel tank. This guy's not even paying attention. I don't feel his brakes grabbing at all. Trailer connected. Maxed out. Maybe it's boat trucks doing it. Maybe something might be up with a trailer. Hammer, no brakes on this truck neither. The trailer brake's not working. I have it maxed out. They're not grabbing at all. So it might be something with the trailer.
I know they'll work if we use the trailer.
Too bad I don't have self-tapping ones with me. Okay, that should work.
Might rip through the plastic.
Well, I drilled a hole through, so.
That'll work.
Should we put another one?
Nah, it's all right.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm gonna replace this bumper at some point. I'm gonna switch it to a ranch hand bumper.
I mean, I think it's gonna hold you.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Thanks, man.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever's in there with salami too.
What time is it?
It's 1:20.
Man, time flew over here, huh?
I know, man. I was afraid that was gonna happen over here.
That cleanup took a while.
Well, and then that extra add-on.
Yeah. We're all wrapped up over here. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what the mess is looking like. It's still looking pretty messy, but it is looking a lot better. When Hammer started this, you couldn't walk back here. A lot of stumps, big root balls, everything. But insurance doesn't pay for that, so that's staying. This side of the fence is all cleaned up, except whatever's on the other property that just rolled over. We just cleaned up to the fence. They're gonna need a separate policy on that one. Big stumps, really big right here. Skid steer would definitely struggle pulling this stuff around unless you knock a bunch of dirt off of them. Hammer, to move this stump, you'd need to dig all this dirt out with the excavator, huh? I mean, this thing is heavy looking.
I just flipped it back over with the excavator.
Yeah.
There was enough weight on the backside. All I had to do was push and it fell right over.
Yeah. That's a huge stump underground. Compared to the top, like, It don't look crazy, but all around it's like, wow. Trees down everywhere. Oh, something bit me. I think a yellow jacket. This is the type of mess we got over here. It's like half this yard is covered. The big tree over there that rolled over, cleaned up as well. Where do you even start?
Right here.